Christina Morales, BIO240, April 8, 2018, respiratory lab to measure tidal volume at rest. For 30 seconds, we're going to count the number of times I breathed using a stopwatch to keep the track of my time. And you're not going to breathe any more or less than you would on your daily basis. So now I'm going to go ahead and breathe for 30 seconds, and I'm going to put my fingers up so you can see how many breaths per minute. So that was a total of 30 seconds, and the breaths per minute was 7. So I'm going to go ahead and record that down. Now we're going to go ahead and pick up our balloon, and we're going to stretch it out. And then for this, we're going to just take a regular breath and exhale it into the balloon. And you have to make sure that you exhale completely and fully into the balloon, and this could take a little extra force. So I'm going to breathe normally and then exhale it into the balloon. So now I'm going to pinch the end, and I'm going to go ahead and record the circumference of this in centimeters. It is 48 centimeters. Now I'm going to go ahead and write that down here. So to calculate the average radius, you're going to use the circumference, which was 48, and then divide that by 2 pi, which is the equivalent to 6.28. So we're going to go ahead and do 48 divided by 6.28, which is 7.64. Now, after we did that, we're going to calculate the tidal volume, which is 4 times pi times the radius cubed divided by 3. So 4 times pi is 12.56, and then so 12.56 times, so now we're going to use our radius, which is 7.64 cubed. Now we're going to multiply that and then divide it by 3. Divided by 3, which equals. Now we're going to calculate the minute ventilation, and this is the tidal volume times the breaths per minute, and then that product is divided by 1,000. So the tidal volume is this number. So we're going to do this number times the breaths per minute, which was 7. And that outcome is and again, this was 0.0093 times 7, which gave a total number of this. And that concludes my lab.